ADF Foods making investors super rich. Review of ADF Foods, a small company that started its business in 1990 as in the name of American Dry Fruits, which later on became ADF Foods Limited, went public in 1991. This company manufactures canned, bottled, and processed vegetables. Business now has been running at pre-COVID levels due to big demand push for the products that the company is manufacturing, and more demand is expected as the consumption pattern has changed world over. Company has an annual sales growth of more than 20%, and quarter on quarter sales growth is at 30%. Robust future, as business is likely to be beautiful in the coming years. Let's look at the numbers. Ranking, price rank is 93.1, fantastic ranking, and those who have invested in the stock would be knowing the journey that stock has made for them. Earnings rank is 60.6. Earnings is yet to catch up, while this stock should have been bought based on the price rank alone. And if we are plotting the ranking chart, it has climbed above 80 long back, and it's towards its journey close to 100. All the investors are on the rocket of ADF Foods making loads of profits. Coming to EBITDA growth, quarterly EBITDA growth for ADF Foods in September 19 was at 67.7%. It had been maintaining consistently a small dip, and now after a negative, September 2020 is again gone positive with 5% growth. So this jump what it had between June to September was significant. That's actually front-ended in the stock, and stock has already run up big time, and looks like there is long journey that is in wait for the stock in the market. TTM EBITDA, which was at 47.31 2 years back, now it is negative at minus 14%. Again, recovery seen in the last quarter. It should come up big time as this company is having distribution rights for many big brands in bigger domains like US, UK, which is doing fantastically well. Due to COVID, this company is benefited because of the packaged food demand. Coming to peer group comparison, among the peers, Daawat is the leader on both price rank and earnings rank. Daawat price rank is at 96.8, and ADF Foods doesn't fall short. It's very close at 93.1. On the earnings rank, Daawat is at 75.2. That itself shows this industry itself is not so very lucrative as of now, while ADF Foods is just closely below the leader. The worst performer in the industry is Future Consumer with the lowest ranking on both earnings and price. Coming to business growth, ADF Foods was positive, which was having close to 100% growth on its profits in 2018. Afterwards, it had a decline, went through some challenging periods, while in the last right edge of the chart, if we see between June to September, sales is going up, and along with it, equally profit is also going up. Margins showing signs of uptrend. All this is what is bringing joy. This boy is getting out of slumber and enjoying the new day, like what is happening at dawn, new dawn for ADF Foods on the business growth. Coming to investors, a small company, so obviously we cannot expect institutional participation in the big time, while domestic institutional investors and retail have made huge profits in this stock. Retail is having big exposure too, and that they have made fantastic returns on their investments. A big thumbs up to the retail investors for the right decision that they have made to hold on to the stock. Coming to the charts, this stock has been in consolidation for more than 2 years, and afterwards it's having a powerful breakout. This drop that it had in COVID times, the steep decline, after that it just like you throw a ball on the floor, and with the intensity of the throw that we make, the ball bounces and comes back. Same like that we can see on the chart of ADF. It had a pitch down, and from there it bounces to a great height. 7 to 8 months of consistent uptrend. Not a single month has taken the previous month's low. That itself is a beautiful pattern the stock has been developing. Trend reversal happened in May, and after that there is no look back, and it will continue to run up even further. Buy here only after a correction. Though there is very high strength on the stock, it can have lesser winning probabilities because we are buying at overbought levels. So wait for a correction somewhere between 470 to 530 levels. That is a price to buy as of this week. As the price keeps climbing up, this zone also will keep moving higher and higher. To get to know the buy zones, you can join our group server where the buy levels for all the stocks are published. Coming to the numbers, very small company, 1200 crore market cap. Stock is having 28 PE, while sector is having 75 PE, nearly 2.5 times PE difference. So there is a lot of space to catch up, and yet already the stock has given fantastic returns. So look at the gains the stock can give in the coming months. Since it is a very small stock, no analysts are tracking this stock, so obviously we don't have that number here. While what is the target we can expect on ADF Foods? 925 will be easily achieved for the stock, and from where it is now, it will be a 46% gain potential. So good stock to own for very good gains in a short period. Comparison of returns between NSE 500 last 1 year has given 16%, ADF Foods has given 112%. There is no comparison at all. So much great performance from the stock. On 3 months, NSE 500 is 25%, ADF Foods is 49%, near double. On 1 month, NSE 500 is 8%, ADF Foods is 35%, 4 times. These are the kind of stocks which we have to own in our portfolio. So obviously your returns will be way above the average index in the market. So if you consistently have these kind of stocks in the portfolio, in the long run, the money that your portfolio will generate will, like the magic of compounding, will work wonders in these accounts. So all the views shared or thoughts and ideas about the stock markets from our side, there are no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock. Though we have given such positive views of the stock, get to know the risks, get comfortable with the risk, and only then make a decision to buy. Thank you.